Hello everyone and welcome to my final project presentation for our PowerShell course. Today I'll be walking you through a script I developed that processes XML and text files. I'm excited to share what I've learned and how I've applied it. This script is a culmination of our semester's work. It reads an XML file named gems.xml, performs file analysis, processes data, and also manipulates a text file name doi.txt. Let me guide you through each part of the script. I started by reading the gems.xml file. Here, I use the XML cast operator in PowerShell to parse the file, allowing me to access and manipulate the XML elements efficiently. Next, I focused on file integrity and size. Using getItem and getFileHash, I retrieved the file size and its MD5 hash. This helped ensure the data we're working with is accurate and unaltered. Counting the number of gems in XML was a key part. This script navigates through the XML structure to tally the gems, a fundamental operation in data processing. Then, I calculated the average hardness of the gems. This was done using PowerShell's pipeline feature, showcasing its ability to handle statistical operations efficiently. I also included a feature to filter gems based on hardness and export this data into a CSV file. It demonstrates how PowerShell can be used for data extraction and reporting. For the doi.txt file, I performed a basic text analysis by counting the total and unique words. This part of the script highlights the text processing capabilities of PowerShell. Lastly, I generated a list of unique words from doi.txt, sorted alphabetically. This step not only required text manipulation, but also showcased sorting and duplication functions in PowerShell. We'll run the script, observe its output, and then check the folders for the CSV and text file it generates. Let's get started. I am typing in a command to execute my script. Watch closely as the script processes the data. You will see the output for each step, from reading files, calculating sizes and hashes, to counting words and gems. Notice the output here. We see the file size, the MD5 hash, the count of gems, the average hardness, and the word count from the DOI text file. This output verifies that each part of our script is working as intended. Now, let's check the folder for the CSV file. Here it is, named as per our script. Opening it, we see the list of gems with hardness greater than 7, exactly as our script was designed to extract. Next, we look for the text file with the unique words from doi.txt. There it is, sorted alphabetically. Opening it, we can see every unique word listed, showcasing our script's text processing capability. And that concludes our demonstration. As you have seen, the script successfully processes the XML and text files, providing valuable data insights. It's been a great journey learning and applying PowerShell in this project. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was informative.